Hey guys, one clue here. I hope all of you are doing really well and have a really great day. In today's video, I would love to talk about monthly costs of VPS providers, especially about the monthly costs of Azure compared to Linode. Okay, let's get started. So as you can see, I opened the picture here of some of my friends. He was trying out the Azure VPS and he was using it for his Mango or for 3 of his hotspots. And as you can see, he got a couple of invoices and he got a current cost and some kind of a forecast. So he was using his Mangoes for like 15 days for now, and they got a traffic around 40 to 60 gigabyte each within these 15 days. And so far, for the exceeding of his traffic limit, he needs to pay around $4 per each device. And this is after 15 days. And this goes on top of the rental costs for the VPS itself. So he needs to pay for the VPS and he needs to pay on top for the monthly usage or the monthly exceed of traffic limit. If you're using the Azure servers, and I believe there are some YouTubers out there that will show you how to install a VPS on the Azure servers and do VPN tunneling with OpenVPN, as I do this with Linode, and they will show you how to do this on the Azure servers. And as you can see here in the top, there's network data transfer out, and most of the Azure servers, and especially those cheap ones that cost like $5 or $7 a month, they only have a traffic limit or a transfer data limit of 15 gigabytes per month. And to be fair, that's not enough for our Helium hotspots. We need at least 50 gigabytes at least. This is why I always show you that I will create my servers on Linode, because we got a monthly network transfer pool on Linode. And what does this mean? This means that per each instance of a server, per each VPS you create, you will get a transfer limit of 1 terabyte. So for example, if you create one Linode, you will get 1 terabyte of free traffic per month. If you create a second one, you have 2 terabytes per month. If you create a third one, you have 3 terabytes. And the best part of about this is that this is a shared pool. So all of your VPS have access to this transfer pool. So let's say one of your miner is not using that much of traffic this month, but the other one is, I don't know, likely using double the 40 gigabytes, so around 80 gigabytes. That's no problem, because for the first reason, you won't exceed the 1 terabyte limit. And for the another reason is this is a shared pool. So all of your servers have the same transfer pool. Currently, I'm using here four Linodes that are actively running. And I have around 3.7 gigabytes of available network transfer. And to be fair, I will never run out with this. And it's absolutely amazing. It's a pool. It's 1 terabyte for free, and for the case that we are using Linode only for our hotspots, you will never exceed the limit of these servers. That's what I wanted to quickly mention here. I just wanted to update you guys here, that you know, and that you please do not choose the Azure services, because if you do so, you can, or you might get into trouble with those exceeding transfer limits and paying extra on top. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.